Alright, these are the elevators here at Macy's, Mayfair Mall in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. We got some Schindler 330A elevators to ride. Oh, look at that. Oh, 3 light bulbs burned out. Let's get on the lower level. Let's get a cab view while we go down. These are very decent cabs, I would say. Pretty interesting. Oh, big bump. Pretty interesting that this place uses the 330As for scope 2. They use 330As for a 3-story Macy's. All right, let's listen to motor. Here we are at 2. Alright, let's go back down to the lower level. Let's do Fisher Cam this time. And we're gonna go get the other one. Alright, I'll set it up. Alright, let's get the other one. Here's the other one. This one we got 1 light bulb burned out. She may know where it goes, but it does not work. Here we are. Oh. Let's go down to the level. Sorry, I had to keep the camera down because there was an employee. Alright, we'll get a cab view on this one here. This is just like the other one. It's a little brighter here, actually. Forgot to mention the indicator and the fixtures. So your indicator, HG premium fixtures. What is the capacity? Oh, 3,000 pound capacity. So your whole COP here. Alright, let's end the video at 1. Because that's where we started. Stand all the way back here. Oops. So far, I gotta say these are very nice 330As. And these were originally Haughtons. There it goes, and these overs were actually originally Haughtons when this store was formerly on Marshall Fields. Alright, anyways, that will be it.